Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you a simple way to add product schema to your HubSpot website. If you have a product page on HubSpot and want search engines to better understand your product information, adding product schema can be really useful, especially if you have multiple product pages. Creating and updating schema manually can take a lot of time. Product schema tells search engines important information about your products, such as the product name, description, and reviews, when applicable. When your structured data is valid and meets Google's requirements, your product pages may become eligible for enhanced search results. When your structured data is valid and meets Google's requirements, your product pages may become eligible for enhanced search results. However, adding product schema doesn't guarantee that Google will display rich results. It simply makes your page eligible when the requirements are met. Instead of manually writing the complete JSON-LD code, we'll use JSON Schema App to generate and manage it. This can save time and make schema management much easier, especially when you have multiple product pages. First, create your account with JSON Schema App and connect your HubSpot website. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types for your pages. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store for better visibility online. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL, open the Rich Results test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review-rich results. So, that's how you can add product schema to HubSpot without manually creating complicated JSON-LD code. It automatically pulls all the required information from your HubSpot page, generates the product schema, and adds it to your website automatically. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.